In this video, I'll go over how to edit and manage your content on an ongoing basis. Once you're logged into your website, you can see this black bar at the top of every page, and it's going to follow you throughout the website. If you'd like to edit text, for example, here, or an image, or add a testimonial, you're able to click on Edit Page and switch over to the backend of your website. Here you'll see the Visivik editor, so you can recognize the structure of the page here, and simply click on the text element, text block in this case, and make the text update. Then save. In this case, I'll just close it. You have the ability then to preview the change, which will pop a new tab open where you can see the change at stake before you save it. Once you're happy with the change, click on update. The page will update and be live instantly on your site. So let's go into more details on the different types of content that you'll want to see. First of all is text, and they're very straightforward, as text elements or animated numbers are defined in a very easy way through the backend editor. Images can be changed, and icons, for example, here can be uploaded. If you simply click on Insert Image, you access the media library, and then from here you can drag and drop any elements, new images, PDFs, videos. Most common file types are supported by the media library. Once the content is uploaded, you'll be able to modify the content title, the size that you'd like to use to display the content, for example, full size or reduced version of your image. Then click Insert. Your content, I just closed it in this way, but your content will be displayed here. You have a few settings to align your image, apply different styling to it, apply a hover effect, apply a link to the image, it's going to be here, apply a caption or an animation to the image, or the ability to hide the image on small screens or on large screens if you only want to be shown on tablets or mobile for certain use cases. Click Save. I'll just close in this case to avoid modifying the website. And again, you can use the preview function to check your changes before you publish them. Now, if you'd like to add new elements, Enfold theme and the Avia layout builder here is going to give you a few options. The most common ones are going to be text blocks, of course, icons, images, but you can really play around and add a variety of different content. The most useful way to add content is typically to clone existing content. For example, here in this case, if we would want to go from 3 columns to 4 columns and add a 4th icon, we'd want to scale down each element to 1/4 of the width, then duplicate it and simply modify the newly duplicated item. Very straightforward. Again, preview and save your changes. If you make changes that you'd like to revert, you can always go to under revisions here, browse revisions, and go back to a previously saved version of your page. In case you'd like to create a brand new page, you can go under new page here and start from scratch, but I typically recommend to copy an existing page to save you time and to copy over all the existing settings that we've applied to the different elements and keep your website really consistent and clean. So once you click copy to a new draft, we won't save any changes, I'll just leave the page. Then you're under a copied version of your page. You can modify the title, you can edit the link, so the URL it's going to have, and modify your content accordingly. In case you're adding a new page, you will certainly want to add it to the menu, and you will find that under Appearance, Menus. You can simply search existing pages throughout your database of pages and drag and drop it to add it to your menu structure. Save the menu and check that everything looks good on the front end.